In the vast tapestry of Hindu mythology, there exists a divine lineage of avatars, each embodying the eternal principles of preservation, righteousness, and cosmic harmony. Today, we unravel the enigmatic world of the Dashavatara, the 10 avatars of Lord Vishnu. These sacred incarnations, forged in the fiery depths of divine purpose, hold within them profound stories of triumph, sacrifice, and the eternal battle between good and evil. Join me as we embark on a journey through time and explore the breathtaking avatars of Lord Vishnu, transcending the realms of the mortal and revealing the extraordinary nature of the divine. Before we begin, let's take a moment to understand the concept of avatars. In Hinduism, an avatar is the incarnation of a deity on earth, serving a specific purpose. Lord Vishnu, one of the principal deities in Hindu mythology, has 10 major avatars, known as the Dashavatara. Number 1. Matsya, the fish avatar. Our journey begins with Matsya, the first avatar of Lord Vishnu. In this form, Vishnu appeared as a giant fish to rescue humanity from a catastrophic flood. He guided the virtuous sage Manu and protected the sacred scriptures, ensuring the preservation of knowledge. Number 2. Kurma, the tortoise avatar. The second avatar, Kurma, exemplifies determination and strength. Lord Vishnu transformed into a gigantic tortoise to support the weight of the cosmic mountain, enabling the gods and demons to churn the ocean of milk, eventually leading to the creation of the elixir of immortality. Number 3. Varaha, the boar avatar. Varaha, the third avatar, takes the form of a boar to rescue the earth goddess, Bhudevi, from the depths of the cosmic ocean. This avatar symbolizes the triumph of good over evil and the restoration of balance in the universe. Number 4. Narasimha, the Lion Man avatar. Narasimha, the fourth avatar, is a fascinating combination of a lion and a human. He emerged to defeat the demon king Hiranyakashipu, who had become virtually indestructible. Lord Vishnu tore apart the demon with his sharp claws, establishing the triumph of righteousness over tyranny. Number 5. Vamana, the dwarf avatar. The fifth avatar, Vamana, appeared as a dwarf Brahmin for restoring balance and dethroned demon king Bali, who had gained immense power. The Vamana avatar teaches us the values of humility, sacrifice, and the importance of upholding righteousness. Number 6. Parashurama, the warrior sage avatar. Parashurama, the sixth avatar, was a warrior sage armed with an axe. He manifested to rid the world of tyrannical rulers and restore righteousness. Parashurama's story serves as a reminder that even gods take up arms to protect the innocent and maintain cosmic order. Number 7. Lord Rama, the ideal king avatar. The seventh avatar, Lord Rama, is one of the most beloved and revered figures in Hindu mythology. He exemplifies righteousness, duty, and devotion. Lord Rama's epic journey in the Ramayana teaches us about the importance of honor, loyalty, and the triumph of good over evil. Number 8. Lord Krishna, the divine cowherd avatar. Lord Krishna, the eighth avatar, is a captivating embodiment of divine love and playfulness. His teachings in the Bhagavad Gita offer guidance on duty, selflessness, and the pursuit of spiritual enlightenment. Krishna's life showcases the harmony between the divine and mortal realms. Number 9. Lord Buddha, the enlightened avatar. The ninth avatar, Lord Buddha, appeared at a time of social unrest and spiritual confusion. Gautam Buddha renounced his princely life, attained enlightenment, and became a guiding light for humanity. Lord Buddha's teachings focus on compassion, non-violence, and the path to liberation. Number 10. Kalki, the future avatar. The 10th and final avatar, Kalki, is yet to manifest. It is believed that Kalki will appear in the distant future, riding a white horse, to cleanse the earth of corruption and restore righteousness, initiating a new era of peace and harmony. And there you have it, a glimpse into the 10 avatars of Lord Vishnu, each with a unique purpose and significance. These divine incarnations serve as timeless symbols of divine intervention, reminding us of the eternal struggle between good and evil, and the ultimate triumph of righteousness. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, Please like, share, and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next video.